If you practice anything, you can be good at anything. So you don't have to be the investor. You just need to find someone that you're confident in their ability. And I basically focused my life to understand investing because when I was young, I found it like so cool. So I spent my whole life figuring it out. And what's super crazy to me is, especially like say a regular person, like meaning like blue collar, right? White collar. If they thought I could be a good investor, I wouldn't like think too much. Okay, I get it. You think you could be a good investor, like that's cool. And you can learn to be a good investor. Don't get me wrong. If you practice anything, you can be good at anything. So let me say that part. But what's surprising to me is not when the white collar and blue collar thing. When like a doctor or an engineer or a CPA that spent 5 or 6 years in training to get to where they're at, to then think I can be a good investor. That is what's like funny to me because I'm like, okay, you just spent like 6 to 10 years to learn your skill, to finally practice it. And you're saying that you're gonna be as good as the guys that have had 10 years experience. Like you're gonna compete with them.